Kance20 and I am on this channel with my friend, and we are going to show you, like, we're gonna put this thing in fast motion. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah,
it's called.
And I think it will have music too, so
yeah,
so you guys don't get bored.
So we're gonna make this in fast thing, how we like decorated it, and so yeah, let's get started. You can stop it now, and then you can put it together.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's do you want me to help you or not? Sure, go ahead. Let me set this here. Too much.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything.
We were going to use this.
Held me down, but I got up.
Roll. You know, I'm gonna go get some bubble gum. Okay. Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna sit right here, okay?
This bubble gum. That was good.
Ew, that's disgusting.
That smell is delicious. And hi. Oh, what is that awful stench? I need to go play puke. Alright, it should be cleared up by now. Oh, hey, look, someone's calling me. Hello? Oh, hey, yeah, blah, blah. Wow.
Would you just shut the phone off? Ew. I'm going.
Don't forget your chair, and I gotta go too now. Yes, well, then I was just kind of like that. Ugh. The girls don't love me. And who cares? Let's watch Romeo and Juliet and fight. What the?
No. My parents are coming soon. No. A bird may love a fish. Well, you're not a bird, but a bird may love a fish, but that doesn't mean they can be together. Oh, Juliet. We can't. We must.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to throw this phone in the trash because, well, it's giving me bad luck. Here we go. I don't want to hear those farts anymore. I hope this works. Get in there. There we go. That smells delicious.
That was disgusting!
Hi guys! Hey, are we? Here's my hair, whatever. I wish we'd be in a movie someday. Oh no, I love this movie! Don't let What happened to Romeo and Juliet? More like fishy, you're gonna die, Mr. Farty Pants! You're done.
No, get out of our house! Finally, we got rid of him. Mission accomplished.
Yeah, let's go. Party. Let's go, girls.
Let's go.
Hey, guys! Thanks for watching the short.
We're here too. Hello.
Yeah, I'm a guest of this video.
W's Kance20. Go check out her channel.
Yeah, go check out my channel, guys. So if you want me to subscribe to you, and then I do, it won't look like it because my thing is not on public. My subscriptions. Sorry about that. I don't know if I can turn it on public.
So, give her a hand on that.
Woo! Give her a hand. Woo! Not this kind of hand, because that's a paw. This kind of hand. Okay. Okay, I gotta run.